Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to install some games from a Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them using ZTE Blade A72S. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find a game like Call of Duty, it's right here, and if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture. Here, select the settings, open family, go for parental controls, and either disable parental controls entirely with this switch, or select apps and games. Insert the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, look for the game again. It's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.